which is
What's that?
no, not 4 cents. 40 makes 40.
4 cents.
No, 40. Oh, 4 cents.
Listen,
No, you can't change my rules.
No, you're changing it because I agreed to 25 cents a foot. And that's
That
what you
is
said,
that
okay.
is too cheap. I did not say okay. $25 for foot. I'll say okay to that.
I'm not doing $25.
I'll give you 20. That's a choice. $25 for 20. Which one?
25 cents, sure.
No. I didn't say.
You're not even doing it good. You're watching TV. Who can watch TV while they work?
I don't know. Some people.
What kind of business is this?
I'm trying to rub.
You should be focusing on my feet, not the TV.
Oh, one of my work friend shows that I won't be watching it.
You're at work. You can't be watching TV.
Yeah, I can. People watch TV when they're working.
Who?
You.
I don't watch TV when I work.
Daddy does.
Oh.
They have a TV.
No, you don't.
Yeah, they do. Oh, I need more food.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Get the other foot, will you? I'll give you 50 cents when you're done.
Nope.
Yes.
I didn't say yes. I have to say yes.
No, you said yes before you started. That's why you're doing it. If you didn't agree.
I would go with $20 and higher.
No. If I
You don't get to pick.
I checked the prices before I came in. I would not pay $20 for this rug. It's not worth it.
Oh, yes it is. Your foot's gonna be so feel good. After this foot. Oh, what do you saw videos on?
Listen.